Good morning, students. So today we'll see our next experiment, that is weight measurement. In this weight measurement experiment we are going to perform using load cell. This is a load cell, okay, and first we'll see, before we start we'll see the connections. So switch on this kit, okay. So you have to connect this load cell, okay, using this connector pin, okay, here. Then you have to make the connections. This A point, okay, this A point you have to connect this to X here. Then you have to connect this B point here to Y, okay, and then you have to connect the output of this ADC channel to this ADC digital readout, okay. So connect positive to positive, ground to ground, right. So before we start, what we have to do, we have to adjust this digital readout using the span and set 0 knob. So this is a pin, okay, by which we are going to adjust this to 0 or to the minimum, okay. So now we'll see. So these were the connections: A point to X, B to Y, output of this to ADC, okay. So if we see what we are going to do, we are going to place the weight on this load cell. Let's suppose I place here 100 gram. So here it will display the output voltage, which is in millivolt. So that will be 90 millivolt, okay. Then I will increase this. So I will increase this by, let's suppose, 10. I will place the 10 gram weight here, this 10 gram weight, okay. So this is 1110, and observe the reading, that is 100, okay, 100 millivolt. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the error also. So if we see the observation table, it is this weight which we are going to place on the load cell, that is 100, and here the output voltage, that is millivolt, 90. Then again 110 weight here, 100, and then you have to plot the graph. This is strain gauge output versus the applied strain, that is the weight which is in gram, and this will be the output voltage in millivolts. So if we see the relation between output voltage and the strain, that is the weight which we have placed, it is directly proportional, okay. So basically I will just reduce that to 10 gram and just see here. So it is showing nearly 7, okay, 7 millivolt. Then again I will place, let's suppose, 20 gram weight. So here I will place 20 gram, and then it will display 17. So likewise you have to take the readings. So here we are performing weight measurement using load cell, and this is a load cell which is connected. So if we see the circuitry, see this is a transducer, okay, to which the load cell is connected. So this transducer will convert this load cell, that is the weight in grams, into the voltage, and then it will be given to an instrumentation amplifier circuit. So this instrumentation amplifier circuit, this will amplify it. Then again we require a gain amplifier, because we all know output of instrumentation amplifier is very less, that is in millivolt. So we have to increase this. So that's why we require a gain amplifier, and then it is connected to a ADC channel, okay. So likewise it will measure the output voltage with respect to the weight that we are going to place here on the load cell. Thank you.